Hey there, it's Matt Santacapita from the Santa Sells Houses team, and happy Family Day. Hopefully, weather looks like it's going to be actually a decent day, so hopefully everybody's able to get out or have something planned with the kids. Anyways, let's jump into the numbers. A couple interesting things that I want to talk about towards the end of this as well. So, new listings in the past 7 days came in at 132, conditionals at 53, and solds at 65. New listings are a little bit low. Not really shocked. It is Family Day weekend, so obviously when we do get these holidays, you do see a bit of a pullback in the number of new listings. Conditionals and solds generally don't get as affected. They do though, because people have plans, right? You're seeing family and whatnot. But a couple of things I wanted to talk about is in January, we are now down in the L-Star region, so London and St. Thomas Association of Realtors. We're now down to a median home price of $544. Why I want to mention that, because I do believe we're now that we've done all these rate increases, and I do think we're going to see probably one or two smaller ones to come, prices have leveled off. They've actually leveled off for quite some time now, but I can't see prices dropping much more. It's just impossible given the cost of new construction. And in reality, this is just where we probably should be. A couple other things I want to note. Days on market. So in December, days on market were up to 28. Currently in January, we're down to 24. So what that means is if you list your home, on average is taking 24 days for it to sell. Now, this has varying reasons why one would be shorter or faster, or shorter or take longer. Generally, that's price and how competitive you're pricing your home. So the more you competitively you price your home, it's going to be gone quickly. And then if you are in a higher bracket and you're, let's say, less competitive in price, it's going to take a little bit longer than that. But the other thing that is nice to see is sales are up from December. So December was kind of the low for sales, and in January we saw sales up about 13% comparative to December. Now, it's not a major number, and December is generally our quietest month of the year, but it is good to see that the market is moving in the right direction. Sales are going up. I know the past few weeks we have noticed a lot more activity out there. So I do anticipate this trend is going to continue. I would not be shocked if in February we end up being substantially higher than January, because there is still that pent-up demand. Even though rates have gone up, lending has changed a lot of things for people. At the end of the day, there's a lot of people that want to buy. So don't let that hold you back. Meet with a professional, sit down with your mortgage broker, understand what you can afford, develop a plan, and move forward. Rates are not coming down anytime soon, at least not to the levels we saw 3 years ago, where they were essentially $0 for overnight lending. They're going to stay at a level that is a much more reasonable, and probably, once we plateau, I think they will pull back a little bit. However, they're not going to pull back a ton. At most, if let's say we go up to a 5% overnight lending rate, we might go back down to 4 over time, but rates are here to stay. So again, it's Matt Santacapita from the Santa Sells Houses team. Have a great Family Day, everybody.